on the fight for Medicaid.
Big steps in the world of autism.
And a sweet fundraiser just in time for the holidays. But first, the final numbers are in.
Pumpkins in the Park raised nearly $15,000 in support of UCP of Maine's programs and services. Through the combined efforts of community partners like the Maine Jump, Anthony John's Day Spa, Stutzman's Farms, and many, many more, all of our candy and pumpkins for this event were donated, which means we were able to raise even more funds for our cause. We want to thank all of the businesses, organizations, clowns, horses, Mickey Mouse and Elmo, and all the volunteers who helped make this event a success. As always, you help make us so much more.
And speaking of pumpkins, how does a nice pumpkin pie sound? UCP of Maine's annual pie sale will be here just in time for Thanksgiving on Wednesday, November 23rd from 10 a.m. to noon at the Airport Mall in Bangor. We will be selling a variety of pies, all baked with love and donated from our neighbors, area restaurants, vocational schools, and more. All proceeds raised go right back to UCP of Maine, supporting local children and adults living with disabilities. So for those of you who can bake and want to help, please call 941-2952, extension 204. For those of you who cannot bake, you can still wow those in-laws on Thanksgiving with an amazing, decadent pie and support a good cause at the same time.
And another event just in time for the holiday season, UCP of Maine's holiday gift wrapping booth at the Bangor Mall. During the entire month of December until Christmas Eve, we will be stationed in the food court across from the service desk, offering low-cost gift wrapping to those busy holiday shoppers. Because of the nature of this event, the gift wrapping booth is actually our most extensive means to advocate for our mission. All proceeds, you guessed it, go right back to UCP of Maine. We sat down with major sponsor Quirk to talk about why they support this vital fundraiser.
Years ago, I actually was part of the UCP fundraising event. I've done different things with them. I think even one time I was in a dunk tank over to the Ramada Inn. So I've been involved in that, and I've actually been down to where the kids are, and when you go down there and see what's going on, it kind of hits you. So, you know, when you've got when you're lucky that you got your health and your kids are healthy, that without trying to say the old adage, you know, we give back, it really means something to us. Growing up, our parents always reminded us that you know, we had opportunities out there, and some of the kids didn't. And I can remember probably every Christmas our parents would say, all right, pick out one present that you got, and we're going to go down and give it to somebody else. And that's how you learn. And unfortunately, that probably isn't done as much today as it used to be in the past. If you support us, we support the community. Again, there's many deals going on out there with 0% financing for 72 months and low payments on your leases that you're having right now. So it's actually a good time to buy an automobile.
We want to thank Quirk for their continued patronage. Support from our community partners enables us to put on our events and raise the funds needed to improve the lives of people living with disabilities. We also need volunteers to pull off this event. Hundreds of volunteers. To get into the holiday spirit and to sign up for a shift, please call 941-2952, extension 204. We encourage businesses and organizations to take a shift or two, as it can be a wonderful advertising opportunity for you and your organization.
Now for our national segment. Some promising news in the world of autism. Residents of New York will soon have insurance coverage for their kids living with autism. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo recently signed a bill into law that would mandate this coverage, a measure that has been discussed for several years now. He was pleased with the outcome, saying, "The children will get the help, the families will get the support." Our friends at Autism Speaks were on hand for this bill signing. New York is the 29th state to institute autism insurance reform. Our own state of Maine jumped on this bandwagon in April of 2010. No word on when any of the 11 remaining states will enforce this law, although several are considering it.
That was a step in the world of autism. Here is a breakthrough. Some people living with autism can now speak for the very first time. As featured on 60 Minutes, Apple's iPad is one of the many touchscreen computers that are making this possible. The technology has provided a way for these people to communicate, express themselves, and convey feelings, a development that seemed impossible just a short time ago. Parents, caregivers, and teachers are calling this leading-edge technology a breakthrough. It's easy to see why. You can view this story in its entirety on www.cbsnews.com.
The fight for Medicaid continues. With the Thanksgiving deadline quickly approaching, Congress is struggling to find common ground on balancing the federal budget. The Democrats and Republicans of the Super Committee can't seem to agree on anything, shooting down each other's proposals, declaring them not serious or unworkable. If that committee fails to negotiate a plan by the November 23rd deadline, $1.2 trillion in automatic cuts across the board will kick in. Medicaid, along with many other vital programs, could suffer greatly as a result. America's Super Committee, the group of 6 concerned citizens appointed by UCP National and the American Association of People with Disabilities, are still working to preserve Medicaid and the lives of those who benefit from it. But they need your help to raise awareness to the Super Committee and the public. We urge you to join the conversation on Twitter using the hashtag #SuperCommittee and post your comments and feedback. We may only have a few weeks left, but there is still time to lend your voice in the fight to preserve Medicaid.
As always, thank you for tuning in. To learn more about UCP of Maine, you can find us online.
That's right, go to www.facebook.com/UCPofMaine, and our actual site is www.ucpofmaine.org. And right on that site, there's a donate button where you could donate to our very worthy cause.
Yes.
Also on that site,
Dun-da-da, is our UCP of Maine 2011 annual report. Just launched last week.
hot off the press.
It's very hot off the press. We're very excited to have an online edition this year that's interactive. So go to our website and check it out. We're really excited about it.
Thanks for joining us.
See you next time.